Understanding CFIA regulations for SFC license. My name is Felicia Liu and I help food importer with CFIA Preventive Control Plan. Today, we're going to cover an important topic for importers. Understanding the CFIA regulations for obtaining a Safe Food for Canadians, SFC, license. Let's dive in. First things first, what is the SFC license? The SFC license is a requirement under the Safe Food for Canadians Regulations, SFCR. It ensures that food imported into Canada meets the country's safety standards. Why is the SFC license important? It helps protect Canadian consumers by ensuring that imported foods are safe, properly labeled, and meet Canadian standards. Now, let's break down the steps to obtain an SFC license. Step 1. Determine if you need a license. If you're importing food into Canada for commercial purposes, you will need an SFC license. This includes foods for sale or further distribution. Step 2. Understand the requirement. You must have Preventive Control Plan, PCP, in place unless you have exemption. This plan outlines how to meet food safety standards and manage risks. Step 3. Get familiar with My CFIA. My CFIA is an online portal where you can apply for your SFC license. You'll need to create an account if you don't have one already. Step 4. Gather your information. Before you apply, make sure you have all the necessary information, including your business details, types of food you're importing, and your preventive control plan. Step 5. Submit your application. Log into My CFIA, fill out the application form, and submit it along with any required documents. Be thorough to avoid delays. Step 6. Pay the fees. There are fees associated with obtaining an SFC license. Make sure to check the current fee schedule and pay the required amount. Step 7. Await approval. The CFIA will review your application and may ask for additional information. Once approved, you'll receive your SFC license. Let's talk about maintaining compliance. Regular audits and inspections. The CFIA can conduct inspections to ensure ongoing compliance. Be prepared and keep your records up to date. Renew your license. SFC licenses are valid for 2 years. Mark your calendar to renew your license before it expires. Regulations can change, so stay updated on CFIA guidelines and ensure your practices evolve accordingly. Lastly, here are some tips for a smooth process. Stay organized. Keep all your documents and records well organized. This makes the application process and any future inspections much easier. Consult us for guidance. If you're unsure about any requirements, consider consulting a food safety expert or legal advisor to ensure you're meeting all the regulations. Thanks for watching. Follow for more insights on food safety regulations and compliance tips. Stay informed and ensure your imports meet Canadian standards.